Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Bitcoin holds above $57,000 level as the German government transferred over $900 million worth of assets from its Bitcoin holdings, blockchain data shows. Well, according to blockchain data platform Arkham Intelligence, Bitcoin wallets labeled as belonging to the German government moved a total of roughly 16,309 BTC in several batches to external addresses, including to crypto exchanges Bitstamp, Kraken and Coinbase, and market makers Flow Traders and Cumberland DRW. Bitcoin's price dropped 3% to as low as $55,000 shortly after the last group of blockchain transactions totaling 8,700 BTC. Now later, it rebounded to slightly above $57,000, up by 3.5% over the past 24 hours. Ether was changing hands at $3,063, up by over 6% in a similar time frame. The price action came after last week's slide to the lowest price since February, and market observers pointed to a massive supply overhang coming to the market during the relatively quiet and low-volume summer season, with the German and US governments apparently selling seized assets just as the defunct crypto exchange Mt. Gox starts to issue repayments. With the latest transfers, the German government is more than halfway through its selling spree, with holdings now reduced to 23,788 BTC worth $1.3 billion from 50,000 BTC since it started unloading tokens last month, according to Arkham data. The global crypto market cap is $2.11 trillion, a 4.01% increase over the last day. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $89.03 billion, which makes a 38.68% increase. Total volume in DeFi is currently $5.71 billion, 6.41% of total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoins is now $83.35 billion, which is 93.63% of total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 53.58%, a decrease of 0.33% over the day. A CoinShares report revealed a $441 million market buying opportunity for digital asset investment products in the last week, with an inflow into Bitcoin worth $398 million. The weakness of Bitcoin prices activity from Mt. Gox and selling pressure from the German government were the likely causes of investors' buying sprees. Inflows were primarily seen in the United States with $384 million, followed by Hong Kong with $32 million, Switzerland with $24 million, and Canada with $12 million. Germany saw $23 million in outflows. The report also highlighted Bitcoin's inflows, which amounted to around $398 million and represented roughly 90% of total inflows, with investors eyeing a broader set of altcoins. Metaplanet, a Japanese investment and consulting firm, has increased its Bitcoin investment despite a drop in Bitcoin prices by injecting additional capital into buying the cryptocurrency. The company announced a purchase of 42,466 Bitcoins for 400 million Japanese yen on July 7, bringing its total holdings to 203,734 BTC. While the average purchase price is about 7% higher than the current BTC price, Metaplanet made a historic entrance into Bitcoin in April 2024, adopting Bitcoin as a treasury asset and buying its first batch for $6.5 million. The company's aggressive Bitcoin buying resembles MicroStrategy's move into Bitcoin in 2020, which started buying Bitcoin in 2020 as an inflation hedge, an alternative to holding cash. Since then, the firm has collected at least 226,331 BTC, costing the company $7.538 billion or $35,158 per BTC. Metaplanet's stock price surged about 90% a day after the announcement, but its shares stumbled amid a significant drop in Bitcoin prices. A lot of token unlocks have been scheduled in July, like WorldCoin is set to double its daily rate of token unlocks alongside other critical crypto projects. Significant token unlocks worth $10 million or more at current prices for the remainder of July into Zai, Immutable X, Aptos, Starknet, Arbitrum and WorldCoin. Zai, a Layer 3 gaming-based project built on Arbitrum, will undergo its second token unlock event on July 9, unlocking nearly 200 million tokens, 72% of its circulating supply. Immutable X, a Web3 gaming firm, will unlock 2.15% of its circulating supply, 32.5 million tokens at a current value of $43 million. Aptos will unlock another 2.49% of its circulating supply on July 12, which is 11.31 million tokens at a current value of around $68 million. Starknet will unlock 64 million tokens on July 15, representing 54.9% of token circulating supply, with a current value of about $36.7 million. Arbitrum will unlock 2.9% of its circulating supply on June 16, with a current value of about $64 million. The All England Lawn Tennis Club is implementing artificial intelligence to protect its players from online harassment. The AI program monitors player social media accounts, identifying racist, sexist, and death threat comments in 35 languages. High-profile players, including Emma and Naomi Osaka, have spoken out about the online abuse they face, leading them to delete Instagram and Twitter, now known as X, from their phones. While British number 2 Harriet Dart also mentioned that she only uses social media occasionally due to the prevalence of online hate. The club aims to create a safer online environment for all its players. Wimbledon has introduced a social media monitoring service, Threat Matrix, developed by AI company Signify Group. The system will be rolled out at the US Open. The number of unique active crypto wallets in the Web3 ecosystem have surpassed 10 million from April to June, according to a report by an NFT marketplace, DappRadar. The user base of crypto wallets rose by 40% in Q2 2024 compared to the March quarter. The trend of crypto airdrops is among top reasons for this growth, with airdrop farming attracting more people to create crypto wallets and collect promotional or reward tokens for free. Interest in decentralized applications increased by 66% in Q2 2024, with the number of unique active wallets linked to social dApps crossing 1.9 million between April and June. While decentralized finance saw a decline by 4% in recent months due to persistent volatility over the crypto market. In Q2 2024, the DeFi sector's total value logged, or TVL, declined from $175 billion in Q1 to $168 billion by the end of Q2. Many associated with Web3 through games and NFTs fear losing their investments to scams or hacks, which keeps them at enhanced distance from engaging freely with these technologies. Hacks on Web3 platforms like Gala Games, Like Exchange, and Holograph managed to steal $430 million in Q2 2024. Hamster Combat, a popular Telegram mini app, has experienced viral growth and is set to launch its token on the Ton blockchain. The game, which was launched in March 2024, has attracted over 200 million players and has just taken 73 days to reach 100 million monthly users. The Telegram mini app has 4 to 5 million new users joining daily, making it one of the fastest growing digital services in the world. The token airdrop for Hamster Combat is yet to be confirmed, but the project's official roadmap highlights that on-chain infra development and in-game wallet implementation were completed in June. The token will be minted on Ton, introducing the benefits of blockchain to hundreds of millions of people. Players have been able to link Ton wallets in the game since June 2024. The British Columbia Securities Commission has found Liquidtrade guilty of running an illegal exchange in Canada. The La Token crypto exchange was accused of violating Canada's Securities Act in November 2022 when it processed $300 million in daily transactions for its 1.5 million user base. The BCSC panel found that Liquidtrade had never been registered under the Act, and there was no recognized exchange or clearing agency in British Columbia operated by Liquidtrade or using the name La Token. The panel found that Liquidtrade enabled users to trade contractual rights of underlying crypto assets considered derivative investments. As a result, Liquidtrade was required to be registered under the Securities Act before it could legally facilitate contract trading in Canada, specifically British Columbia. As of March 2024, Canada has banned 4 crypto exchanges, including Catalyst, Qcoin, Poloniex, and ST.com exchange. However, 15 crypto trading platforms are authorized to operate in the region, including BitBuy, Coinbase, and Fidelity. Upcoming sanctions on Liquidtrade could range from monetary penalties to a ban on services. Odisha Police piloted the use of AI technology for effective traffic and crowd management during the Lord Jagannath Rath Yatra, also known as the Chariot Festival. The event, which is believed to be as old as the Jagannath Temple in Puri, took place on July 7. The police planned to use AI-based CCTV coverage, a drone system, and the PA system to identify blind spots in jam areas. Additionally, DGP Odisha Dayal Gangwar also stated that drones were used alongside the PA system to identify 4 to 5 identified spots every year where traffic jams typically occur. Ankur Jain, former Chief Product Officer of Bharate, co-founded Jivi.al with GV Sanjay Reddy, chairman of Reddy Ventures. The initial model Jivi Med X surpassed well-known models such as Google's Med Palm 2 and OpenAI's GPT-4 on the Open Medical LLM leaderboard. The company will incorporate voice capabilities, allowing users to communicate with the model in their native languages, covering around 90% of global population. Vocal capabilities are expected to become mainstream within the next 6 months, enhancing the model's usability. Jivi.ai adheres to standards like ISO 42001 and complies with evolving regulations both in India and globally. Jivi.ai leverages the Llama 3 model with parameters ranging from 8 billion to 70 billion. The startup initially tested existing models like Mistral and Llama 2, but none met the accuracy requirement for medical applications. After extensive experimentation, Jivi.ai settled on odds in Moscow to meet preference optimization, conducting around 150 experiments to achieve the desired accuracy. So that's all in the bulletin today. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.